In this video, we'll be proving the identity that cosecant x minus cotangent x all over secant x minus 1 is equal to cotangent x. First thing we're going to do is just rewrite everything in terms of sines and cosines. Cosecant is just 1 over sine. Cotangent is cosine over sine. And secant is 1 over cosine. Now, the first fraction, since they have the same common denominator, I can bring it all to one fraction. So that'll be 1 minus cosine over sine. Now the denominator here, we don't have a common denominator. We just have 1 over cosine minus 1. So I'm going to multiply cosine over cosine, the second fraction, or second term rather. So that becomes cosine over cosine. And now I can bring it all together. The denominator becomes 1 minus cosine divided by cosine. You can think of this as, well, since we're dividing two fractions, you can think of it as multiplying by the reciprocal. So we're going to leave the top fraction the same. The bottom fraction we're going to flip. So cosine now becomes the numerator, and 1 minus cosine becomes the denominator. Clearly, we can see that 1 minus cosines are going to cancel. So we have cosine over sine, which is cotangent.